This is a brand new 2013 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. This four-door sedan has an 8-speed automatic transmission and a 3.8-liter V6. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a remote start feature, a sunroof, heated seats, Hyundai BlueLink, a built-in iPod integration cable, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, leather seats, front side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an energy-absorbing steering column, active front headrests, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Thank you for considering Wiesner Hyundai for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. Our family-owned dealerships have been serving the Houston and Conroe area since 1972. If you have any questions, visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located on Interstate 45 at the Wilson exit in Conroe. We look forward to serving you.